Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive. It's a 4-door, 7-passenger van in a pre-dawn gray mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Included in your LE all-wheel drive package is your Entune 3.0 app series, which has cool apps like your Scout GPS and your traffic and weather updates to keep you connected.
Helping you into your Sienna is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power slide doors and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that chrome all-wheel drive badging. You also do have that additional pane to help with visibility. Opening up your door now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a sophisticated two-tone interior. On the side here, you have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your traction control, and you can turn on and off the power for your power sliding doors. Additional storage. And you have your all-weather floor mats fitted perfectly to your Sienna to keep things nice and clean. And you also do have your power adjustable driver seat, so you're riding away in the ultimate comfort. And check out these soft plush light gray seats all throughout your Sienna to add that extra touch of comfort and style. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake there, a key in the ignition. Your dashboard's going to light up with your welcome screen and your ambient lighting. Now on your dashboard, you do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Important screen to be on is your settings for your Toyota safety sense features. So you have your pre-collision system as well as your lane departure alert. Opening up that menu, you can turn on and off those alerts or set the sensitivity of those sensors. In addition to that, you have your volume control, mode changes, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on one side, and that lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control mounted below. Here you can see you have your cruise control option, which turning it on will make you nice and prepared for that highway drive. You have your automatic headlights, so you don't have to forget to turn them on when it starts getting dark out. And opening up your audio system now, you can see that you have your AM FM radio. You also do have your Sirius XM radio. You've got a USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. And the Slacker and NPR One Radio is part of your applications in your Entune 3.0. You also do have your Yelp reviews. You have your sports and weather, as well as traffic updates, all synced from your phone. And a cool feature is your Scout GPS as well, all integrated into your touch panel display. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here. A great convenience feature to have to keep everyone and everything nice and safe here. Now below, you can see that you have your tri-zone climate control. It's equipped with the electronic automatic climate control. And you have this digital display here setting a different temperature, driver, passenger, and rear passengers. Your rear passengers do have a climate control panel in the back as well, so they can adjust it to their comfort level. You have a nice stylish shift knob with that black trim. You also do have your sport drive mode. Below here, you'll find your heated seats for both driver and passenger side, USB auxiliary input, 12-volt DC charger, and additional cup holders for those days where you need more than just one coffee. Below here, you have your media storage and another 12-volt DC charger, in-floor storage, plus you have your cup holders with that ambient lighting, which when we turn on, you can see. You also do have your stylish center console. It is extremely deep with plenty of storage space. And behind your center console, you have 2 USB chargers and one 120 volt AC plug-in for your rear passengers. Now on your dashboard here, it's finished with that sophisticated light gray leather plus additional storage. And below, of course, you have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know, everything there is to know about your Sienna. There's a lock for functionality and plenty of style built right into your 2018 Sienna LE. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. Take a closer look. You do have your rear windshield wiper hidden underneath your spoiler detail there. You have your roof rails for additional storage options, plus you have your standard backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. As you can see, you have your skid plate to keep things nice and protected, and you also do have your spare tire storage underneath your Sienna. Opening up that lift gate now. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have additional storage on the side, and check out how deep that bucket style cargo area is. On the side you can find your tools, your jack, in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Got your cargo lamp plus your 12-volt DC charger. Now your third row seating stows away nice and easy, so why don't we take a look at that. Stowing away that third row seating now, you can see that you have plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your rear passenger seats, which completely remove so that
taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive, built right into your standard Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding away in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it, come on in and take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.